Heat. What are the causes of what you see happening in the pictures below? Write in the box. See, you can see the pictures. In the first picture, boiling of milk and whistling of pressure cooker is due to heat of gas. See, you can see the boiling of milk. In the second picture, the boy is suffering from fever and is measuring his body temperature with the help of thermometer. In the third picture, we can see water droplets on outer surface of the glass due to atmospheric heat. In the fourth picture, men are sitting around a bonfire to get warm during winter. In the fifth picture, buffalo is sitting in lake water to protect from summer heat. Now you can rub your palms against each other and put them on your cheeks. What do you feel? You feel heat. We came to know some properties of heat energy from the examples seen in the pictures and the above activity. The sun's heat has many effects and uses. How does the solar heat reach the earth? Why does the heat in the water heated to boiling slowly decreases once it is taken off the flame? Where does this heat go? The moisture in the air cools down due to the ice cubes in the glass and collects on the outer side of the glass. You can see the droplets. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. We have already studied the changes in the state of matter caused by heat. See, transfer of heat. How does the heat transfers? Can you tell? Why does the halwai wrap up cloth around the end of his slotted spoon while stirring the boiling milk in his large kadai? You can see the kadai. While stirring the boiling milk in a large kadai, the halwai wraps up cloth around the end of his slotted spoon to avoid burning of hand. The slotted spoon and kadai both are made up of metal, hence the heat flows from hot kadai to the spoon. Why do we hold a steel glass in a handkerchief while drinking hot milk from it? What are the other examples of this kind? The steel glass is made up of metal and hence when hot milk is poured in it, the glass heats up. In order to avoid burning of hands, we hold it in a handkerchief. When we take a hot object in the vicinity of a cold one, the cold object becomes warm and the hot one becomes cooler. From this, we can infer that heat is transferred from a hot body to a cold body. Transfer of heat means the flow of heat from one place to another. Use your brain power. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? In winter, the atmosphere becomes cool and hence to keep body warm, we wear woolen clothes in winter. The body should be warm in winter. Now we will see conduction, convection and radiation. For this, we have to perform one experiment. Apparatus, bars of stainless steel, aluminium and copper, a candle, a burner, pins, etc. These are the apparatus. Now procedure. What is the procedure? Take stainless steel or iron, copper and aluminium bars, each about 30 cm long and having the same shape. Apply wax spots with the help of candle at a distance of 2 cm from each other on all the three bars. Stick a pin in each of these spots so that it is upright. Now insert the ends of all three bars into a flame at the same time. Observe for a while. What do you see? From which bar do the pins start falling first? The transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. This is the conduction of heat. The pins on the copper bar starts falling first. The pins on the steel bar fall comparatively late. Heat is conducted quickly through copper. Conduction of heat through a substance depends on the property of that substance. The conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance shows that a medium is required for the conduction of heat.